beauties, and welcome back to my channel Bit of Beauty. Today we have another haul. So this is a haul from Glamraider. They recently released some mystery boxes. So they went on sale on the 4th of March at midday. So they had three types. They had a standard box, a deluxe box and a premium box. So the standard box was Australian $45 and there was $90 worth of product value. Deluxe box was going to cost $110 with a value of over $260, and the premium box was retail for $195 but valued over 450 Australian dollars. So I just picked up the standard box, the $45 one. This is my first mystery box I've ever purchased, so I just wanted to start small. I know there's been a lot of controversy in the past with other mystery boxes, but I thought I'd give Glamraider a go. Now normally on their website they sell items from Wet n Wild, BH Cosmetics, there's a brand called Moda. They have some really interesting looking makeup brushes, look really nice. Barry M, Ofra and Makeup Revolution, and many more. There was Finola, Bondi Sands and many more. So as I said, I picked up the $45 mystery box. So the shipping was $9 to post out, but if you spend over 70 Australian dollars you get free shipping. So it was a great excuse just to buy a few extra items. So I picked up an extra 4 items and it's arrived today on the 7th of March. So extremely fast shipping. I do live remote and express shipping is not a thing here. It doesn't matter if you post express shipping, it won't get here any faster. But 3 days, amazing. So it's rocked up today in 2 boxes, gorgeous boxes. And I'm assuming this box is lighter, so these would be the items that I did purchase separately just to bump myself over to get the $70 worth of products for the free shipping. So I'll begin by opening this. I haven't opened any of it. Of course I know what I did buy separately. So it's got some pink and it's all wrapped up. Except for the lipstick, we have, this is the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit lipstick that I've purchased, and I chose the shade Nudie Patootie. Bear with me. And this retails on their website for $10, 10 Australian dollars. So it's a very unique shade. Half mauvey, half grey. Very interested. Not was I was expecting a bit more of a nude. Okay, so I also picked up the BH Cosmetics Eye Lights Waterproof Eye Colour in the shade Fresh. It's very small. I do have something similar to this in the Barry M, the holographic ones though. This one's not holographic. Oh, it is duochrome. Oh my goodness, this is very small. A very small wand. Give it a swatch. It seems a bit chunky in camera. It does look quite nice. It has a yellow gold with a bit of a green to it. And then for $2.50, this is the Wet n Wild Moonchild eyeshadow. So it's a purple shimmer, dark purple. Okay, so 5 hours later, after we've removed all the stickers and we can finally get this thing open, we have the shade. There we go. So that's what it looks like. So it's a dark purple and it's sort of got that black undertone, and I'm not a huge fan of eyeshadows like that have that blackness underneath them. I have ordered off of the Makeup Revolution site before and picked up a couple of their eyeshadows, and I noticed with them they do tend to have that black undercast to them that I'm not a huge fan of. So I'm not sure. I'll use it, but like I said, that was only $2.50 just to bump it up over to get that free shipping. Okay, so now we're back onto the mystery box. Here we go. Now I've got to get into this. Beautiful packaging. Okay, we have card, I love Revolution. And I did notice one of the comments on their Instagram, someone was hoping that they weren't all Makeup Revolution products. here we go. The box is quite well packaged, very full. Ooh. Okay, we have, what is it? The Mascara Revolution. So just Makeup Revolution London Black Mascara. There we go, nothing special. Okay, we have an Ofra item. Oh gosh. This is Bossy Eyes Rosé. So I'm assuming this is for your eyes. First impressions, I thought it was like a shimmery lipstick, like a shimmery liquid lipstick. And I wouldn't wear that, honestly. So the internal packaging is a lot nicer. It actually describes what it is. So it's the Ofra liquid eyeshadow in shade Bossy Eyes. It does look really nice. I don't have a shade like this. So it's like a sheen. It's quite nice. Sort of like a rose gold. That is very pretty. That's very, very beautiful. Very happy with that. Okay, so we have the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Gold Bar. This is limited edition. So this looks really nice. I have been interested in actually purchasing this. I nearly was going to pick up the Wet n Wild highlighter. I actually thought I did put it in my cart, but couldn't have. Okay, Holly Goldhead. That's pretty. There we go. That's nice. So we have another Wet n Wild product. This is another Mega Glow Hello Halo liquid highlighter. Does it have a shade? Gilded Glow. So everything's sealed really well. Don't normally tend to go on liquid highlighters. Oh my goodness, the wand is enormous. It'll be good for something different. Oh, that's pretty. It's very thick. Well, it's very opaque. That is gorgeous. So that would look amazing on golder skin types, I imagine. It's probably too dark for me at the moment. But that would look stunning on darker complexions, or if you're really fake tanned. So happy with that one. So first impressions, I think Glamraider's done really well with the mystery box. So we have, oh gosh, I think I've actually had this one before. So I Love Makeup London Chocolate Elixir. I'm pretty sure I've had this before, wasn't a fan of it and actually gave it away. So this is like, yes, I think this is the one I had, may not be. So it does have some beautiful shades. So we can probably do some swatching. So it's got the plastic, decent sized mirror. So I've got some very neutral shades. Oh, that burgundy picked up quite well. I'm running out of room. So they weren't the best swatches, but we'll see how we go with those ones. So I think this would be a good everyday palette, good for neutral looks. Okay, actually what I did notice is when I swatched them, they didn't have that dark black undertone, so that's good. But it was more the purples and those sorts of shades, so I'm impressed with that. Now, pretty excited for this one as well. I'm not entirely sure. This is the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival 20 colour shadow palette, so I'm assuming this is a Brights one. I did consider purchasing the, what is it, the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, because I'm really loving my Brights at the moment. We have these, sliding it out. That packaging is stunning. I'm hoping the colours are the same in here. Let's have a look. Wow, okay. So I have a decent sized mirror there. Some very unique shades in there. So a good blend. I'm interested to swatch this purple. That's gorgeous. This blue. Maybe it's aqua. They are pretty damn good. They are gorgeous. They are stunning. Okay, my hands are filthy, but I'm wanting to pick up this Solstice. This looks stunning. The neon green. And we'll go with Hippie. Yeah. That green went on lovely, from what I could see. It was a little bit chalky, but that's pretty good. So I'm pretty excited to play with all this. They've done really well, Glamraider. So like I said, it was $45 Australian, and it's meant to be retailing of over $90 worth of products. So we got the I Love Chocolate Elixir palette, Beach H Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette, which is absolutely stunning. So it's good, they've done a good mix. I've got something neutral, pop of colour with eyeshadows, a gorgeous, very, you know, very wearable, metallic, good brand liquid eyeshadow, basic mascara, the Wet n Wild Mega Glow High Gold Bar, which is really nice, and the Wet n Wild Mega Glow liquid highlighter, which was really nice as well. And I think you probably, I'd still say, yeah, good on darker complexions, as I said previously. And then of course I picked up these 3 extra items just to bump myself over to that $70 worth of for free shipping. So I can do so what I'll do now is I'll just do a bit of research, find out how much these products were on the website by themselves, and leave them details below. So there we have it. There was my Glamraider mystery haul for the $45 standard box and 3 extra items. So very happy with my purchase. I would absolutely recommend purchasing the mystery boxes from Glamraider. I'm a bit disappointed I didn't buy the bigger one, but oh my god, fly. And I can't wait to start getting into some tutorials and posting them on my channel. So please stay tuned for that, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.